Hey guys, so I picked up this Megan short shifter. It's for the Elantra Sport, so it's 1.6 turbo. I believe it fits the Velosters as well, and I believe the Kias with the 1.6 turbo GDI engines, 6-speed transmissions. The knob, it does come off, but your stock shifter don't fit, at least not in the Elantra Sport. I don't know about the GT Sport or the inline or anything like that, if they're different or not, but for this car, the Sport, it don't fit. Spin that back on there. It also comes with these bushings. I believe these are for the last one. Anyways, for the base of the shifter. See them there. That's them there. So let's get into it and see what we all gotta do here, because I have never installed one. So let's get into it. So this is gonna be pretty hard to film in with one hand and try to do it the other way, but let's start with, I believe there's 2 bolts in here. Hold on, let's get some tools here, just 1 second. So I got some tools here. There's a 10 mil, I'm pretty sure there's a 10 mil underneath there, and just one of these, I don't know what you would call these. I don't know, I call it a fork. Anyways, so let's get some light in here. I don't know if I could hang this off something. No. Anyways, so let's take this off here. Oh, a little dirty. So I'm just gonna chuck that over there for now. So there's two 10 mil bolts here. So let's get them off right quick. Get my gun on it. So we get that out of the way. I'm just gonna throw this in the box so I don't lose them. If I can stick this light up here, I don't think it's gonna stay. Yeah, it might stay. All right, and I don't think there's nothing in here. I'll throw all that in the box. I'll just take all these bushings. I'll stick these up on the dash. Oh, and I'll put this on the dash. There. All right. Now let's take the shifter off here. I think that just spins off. Let's take it out of gear. That just spins off like that. Oh, and there's a spring in there, so put that in that box. Put that in the box. Now I think I'm gonna do this probably not the right way, but it works. So let's try it. One. I don't think there's anything up there. Make sure that thing's in here. Okay, she's emptied. All right, so I'm gonna pull up on this. Hopefully I don't break something. So let's go. 1, 2, 3. All right. So she came out. Sick. So let's just shift this down here. And let's flip this around. It's gonna be, looks to be some connectors back here, so let's disconnect those. Let's see here. Actually, I think I just undo that one big connector, and I think that works. That's it. No, it wouldn't be that easy, would it? No, there's a couple more. So let's do this one, and that's out. Let's chuck it over there. I don't know how that's gonna work. Anyways, we'll worry about that after. So there you go in here. There's the shifter. So I'm gonna have to disconnect. Let's see here. Let's get a good look in there. So I'm gonna move those wires out of the way. Move that out of the way. Alright, so this plastic trim here. Let's see here. Let's have a look. There's at least two. Oh shit! What the? That? Oh, pieces of wide body. Anyways, so there's going to be a couple screws on the side here. I don't know if you can see it. Those two screws here and here, and there's two on this side too. Here and back here. So we gotta take those off. So I'm gonna take them off and I'll be right back. All right, so here we go. Here, we're gonna remove this here. Hopefully I don't drop the screw. Got it. Let's put that in the box. Okay, and the next one. That one. And let's do the other side. I mean, I might be doing this completely wrong, but I'm just kind of winging it. It's been a while since I had the interior tour out one of these. If you didn't notice my shirt and stuff, I work at a Hyundai dealership, so, you know, but, yeah, come on. Should have brought my other drill for this. A lot quicker. Anyways, I think that's out there. Okay, now there's two more. There's two more down there, but I think I gotta get that after, maybe. I don't know. I think I gotta take the sides off first, and then go from there. It's right there. There's two little clips on both sides. It's like a Phillips screw inside of it. So let's see. What do I do with that now? What did I do with that? Hold on here. Is it over here? Yeah. Did I put it in there? Yeah. There. I got it there. So, I guess you can just unscrew it out a little bit. Get your fingers in there. So there's one of those on both sides. So let's go to the other side. And there's the other side. Ah, crap. Alright, so that's out. Now, I'm not 100% sure what comes off next. I'm not 100% sure what comes off next, but if I break it, at least it's my car. So that obviously comes off like that. What is that? Is that a separate unit? I'm gonna pry on something, see what happens. Yeah, I think so. So I think that comes off, but I'm not 100% sure. Not 100% sure how. Let's have a look here. Let's have a look. Does that look like a screw there, I wonder? I don't think. Here, I'm gonna see if I can take this off and I'll be right back. Alright, so these sides here, they actually just pop out. I don't know if I can get some light in there. Right here, they pop out. Down here, there's three clips, I think. 3 clips on each side. Pop out. I think that's the way you do it. Okay, and then, yeah, I don't know. I don't think that's right. That's the way she's gonna go anyways, I think. So let's get this thing off here, because I know I need that out of there. So should that just pop off like that. There. That popped out. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is pretty much loosey-goosey here. So it is loose, I guess. but there's something else holding it. Actually, you know what? I think it's that screw. I think it's a screw right here. I think it's this screw down here. Let's put that back up in there. I should have used a longer one. Another Phillips screw. Kind of scared to see what it looks like underneath here. I don't know how dirty it is. Anyways, it shouldn't be that dirty. There, throw that in there. Now, let's see if anything moves. What the f... What's holding it now? Maybe I gotta remove that screw. But I still think this comes off. Still think that comes off, this piece here. So I'm gonna try prying on it again. If I break it, I break it. Whatever. I'm gonna try not to break it because I don't want to fucking replace it. But let's see here. See, it moves, so it's gotta come off. I would think. Could be wrong. I mean, I could be 100% wrong. But it is on. Okay, so I figured it out. So this does come off. The clips out here. I don't know if you can see it. So this upper piece clips at the side, so that comes off there, and then that slides. Oh, damn! Scratch everything down, and that comes out. That comes out like that, and then there's what's keeping me right there. One more screw. So let's undo that. Hopefully that's the last screw. I think it is. So that's out. That's out. Do that. And then this should ideally just move. Oh damn. It's a little dirty underneath there. Not too bad. Anyway, so I'm gonna leave that right there where that's at, because it's not gonna be, that's not gonna be in the way. So at least I don't think. So now we need to get these oh, okay. Well, that just falls off of that, I guess. So I'm gonna put that, so I'll put it aside. Put that there. Remove this screw here. Okay, so I kind of started wrong, but no, well, the end result's gonna be the same. So that's unscrewed there. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Anyways, so that's out. The screw in the box. Stick. Oh, what the hell? There we go. That's out. Okay. Now we're down to the nitty gritty. So I'm gonna see what I gotta get into here. Alright. So, oh damn, falling on the seat. Too fat for this. Anyways, so we got this pin here. I believe it goes down and then up and over. So that's that one. So that's off. And there's one right underneath there. I don't know if you can see it. I gotta get that off. I think I can do that once I get these things out. The shifter cables. I don't know how these ones come out. I've taken ones off before. But let's see here. So these should be, let's have a look here. I think, I don't know if I should pry on that or not. Oh, damn, I should have looked it up. Let's look here. So I think, let's see what happens here. Oh, just like that, I guess. That's out. And then do the same thing this one. Let's give it a little. Well, I might not do it this one. Like that, I guess. That one's out. Okay. All right, so I think those are 12 mils. So I'm gonna go grab 12 mil and I'm gonna zing those out right quick. Out of the way. Okay, hopefully I'm right here. 12 mil? Yes, sir. Okay, get those all loosened. One there. One there. One there. And there should be another one over here. No. That's that one. So that one's out. Okay. But I need to remove this bracket, which is a 10 mil. Let's swap that right quick. Ugh. It's hard to do this with one hand. Okay. Alright. Good old snap on. One there. One there. I don't know if you got a thread lock on or what. We'll take that off. Okay, let's take that bracket. Throw it over there. Take these out. There. Man, grab the other one over here. Oh, I didn't even get it out of the way. Oh, wait, I got 10 mil on that. Let's swap it right quick. Again. Oh, maybe I am. There, that's better. Now that's out. There. That's out. Now, take this, flip it this way because there's a couple clips here I'm gonna take off. So I'm gonna take that off real quick and I'll be right back. All right, so I got the harness off there, so just put that over there for now. Now I gotta figure out how does this come off. I think it just pops off. To be honest, maybe I'll just do this. I don't know. Let's see here. Let's see if we can. Oh, it's a bad angle. All right, let's see if I can take this. Come on. Maybe I can just pry it. No. All right. This might be something I gotta put the phone down for, or the camera, I should say. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to do this with one hand. So I'm gonna get this popped off, and then I'm gonna show you how to do it. So 1 second. So basically, what you want to do, that clip there, you pull the pin on both sides, or the clip there, and then just slide it back, and then this pops out really easy. So I'm gonna flip this back over, and I'm gonna. Grease is just going everywhere on me, and then that's that popped out. So I think I gotta put that ball back in there, but I guess I'll take that out on the bench. So I'm gonna go over to the bench and show you what I'm into. So that piece right there, I got it back on this one now. It took a little bit of force to get it off, but basically all I did was just hook it with a screwdriver and just popped it off. So that's on there. I gotta figure out how to get this off. So I'm gonna set the camera down somewhere and see if I can do. Alright, let's see here. I don't know how this part comes out now. So this should be interesting. Hopefully I don't break this part, because brake it. There's tabs right here. There's tabs. Yeah, there's tabs right there. So I think there's 4 tabs here. So let's see if we can get them off here. Let's do that. This one tab. Ah, prick. All right, let's do it this way. Wow. Let's get that off. So let's freaking grease. I'm gonna hook that in there, and then I'm gonna try to get the other one over here. I know you can't really see, but not quite sure. That's gonna come up there. I know it does. Stick that there. And then we get this one here. Sort of coming there. Like 5 different things at once here. Damn. Damn, Daniel. Oh man, it was almost out. That's there. There. Oh my god. This is stupid. Third one out. And there's a 4th one here. You gotta get. Oh, prick. What if like that? Let's see. Holy fuck. There's gotta be an easy way to do this. Either that, I'm just overthinking it or something. I stick this one in here, hold that clip, so hold that there, hold that clip there. That one's good, alright. I'll get this one here out. I'll get something to stick in there. Stick that one there. I'll stick that there. Or do I just pry on it? Actually, I don't think I just pry on it. I think I just, if I pry on it, I just end up breaking it. And that's definitely not what I want. You might have seen it. So that's out, that's out. I think that one's out there. I'm gonna do something. If I break it, I break it. I hope I don't break it. It's probably not the right way to do that. Oh, shit. I've never taken one of these apart before. There's gotta be something else holding it. There has to be. Let's try hitting it with the hammer again. This time. Whatever. Something came flying. Okay, so probably wasn't a good idea to hit that. Fuck. Hopefully that's gonna be okay. So I may have just broke that. Just may have. Okay. So, does this come off? No, I don't think. So I'm gonna get that off. Over there. Get that out of there without breaking that. Gotta be a way. Alright, so I got the stock shifter out. It wasn't fun. So this is basically the difference of it, I guess. Hopefully it's the right one. I I fucking broke that. Hopefully it's not gonna cause me any issues. So now let's get I gotta get this onto here, which I'm not really sure how. So I'm gonna try to figure out how that goes on there, and I'll be right back. Okay, for some reason I couldn't figure out how to get that over there. So there's a little pin in here that has popped out, and that slides that out. Hopefully nothing else falls out. So that pops out like that. So this might be wrong the way I'm doing this, but this is the way I'm doing it. So, all right, I'm gonna snap that thing back on there. What do I do with it? Right there. Let's see here, set this up like this. Set it up. Ideally, this should go down like that. Like that. I gotta put some grease on that. Okay. That was an ordeal. I got that off. That's on there now. So now I'll put this back in. Oh damn. Which way did that go? Oh, here, I'm gonna have to look back in the video and see which way that went. Alright, so I figured it out. So it goes like this. So I'm gonna flip this around and make this pop down so I can slip that pin back in. So I'm gonna flip it around right quick. Alright, so here we go. So I got that lined up there now. Hopefully it's the right way. And I put that pin back in here. Hopefully I should just be able to give it a few taps and it'll start going here. Let's see here. So I gotta go in a little further, but I'm gonna need 2 hands for that, so yeah, we're back. Alright, so I got that back on there. So let's put this back together. So that goes the spring, goes in the top, that, and then there's a clip that goes in here. It goes like like so. I gotta get that pushed in more. Put that there. Screwdriver. There. That's clipped in there. That's working there. So that's that. I think I'm gonna push that in there a little bit more. So just 1 second. Alright, so that's on there now. That's back in there. Lines of crap they work. So now I need to put this back on. Leave that wing down like this. And this went on top of that. Now I gotta adjust it right because this, I think it was about there. So I'm gonna tighten it down. This side's like a 16, I guess. It's probably standard, but anyways. 16 and a 13. It's snug for now. Basically, when you turn this on, you want to make sure that it can go up all the way. If not, it might not go in reverse. That's that. I don't have any grease. You're that. Alright, got some grease. I don't think it's the right grease, but it's the grease I got, so just white grease. White grease is what I'm using. Spray that down there. Damn, I bet I'll scratch the hell. So gotta get that. What I did here, I push this up, and it pops in there. So just push that up, put that in there. Some grease. Hopefully, just to snap back down in there. Not both, because I might have broken. So that's in there. Got everything all full of grease there. So that's that. So the next it's in there like that. You don't want to be able to put the rest. Honestly, I think it could come down a little further. See it right here. I think if it come down a little further, I think clear is pretty good there. I don't know. We'll work with that. Try that. I don't know if you can hear me because the furnace is on. But... Okay, so I need to put that down. And I think these just pry right out. I have no idea. Well, maybe I should get the center up first. Do we keep this in, I wonder? Do I keep that in there? I think I do. Well, I don't know. I don't think I can. That's gonna, I don't know. What does go down here? I don't think it goes down there. There's no instructions, so I don't really know. Damn. Okay. Go right there because that would make no sense. I have to look it up. Okay, so in order to do these bushings, you actually do go, yeah, you got to take these all out. So let's push all those out there. Let me set this back up here. You're probably not going to really hear me because the fan is still going. I'll move this over and get it closer. So, oh, it just turned off. So basically, you're gonna pull all these metal sleeves out. It's easy just to push it to the bottom, from the top to the bottom. Push them all out. That. Oh, damn it! All right, camera fell over. So, all right, so you pull that out. Then let's pull all these out, because you don't need those. Those gotta go. Just pry them out. Put them to the side. Like that. And I guess there's literally nothing that goes on the bottom of these, which is kind of weird, I guess. So anyways, that goes there like that. And then these, they just drop right in. That's, I don't know, that must, I think that would make noise, but anyways. I guess it makes it more solid, I guess. Alright. Take the other three, put them in there, and then I guess I'll start putting it back in the car. I don't know how the boot's gonna go on. That's what how the hell's the boot gonna get on there? Anyways, worry about that when you get there. Alright, so we're back in the car here. I wonder if I can sit this up somewhere so I can see what I'm doing. No, it's gonna fall. So I'm gonna put this cable back in here, and then Show you what it looks like when it's in there. So what I did is I put this clip back in there because it's probably going to make it a lot easier to clip it in. So I'm going to clip that in there, and I'm going to mount it back there, and I'll show you what it looks like. So now I'm putting the bolts back in here, like so. It wasn't too bad to clip that in. It just snapped in there. So it wasn't too bad to snap in there. And I just put that back in here. This cable, it comes with this clip here. So I'm gonna stick this clip back in here. So that's not gonna pop back off. And then, yeah, I'm gonna bolt that back up and I'll be right back. All right, so the shifter's pretty much in there now. That feels pretty good. Alright, so I guess now we're just putting everything back together. I guess. Oh, also, a little note there. I did end up breaking a piece off my shifter right here. But it seems to be no movement there. So I think I'm gonna be okay. I hope. I mean, there's not much I can do about it. It did clip down everywhere else, so I don't think it's gonna be an issue. If you can get it out a lot easier than why I did it, I mean, by all means do it that way. But definitely hitting it with a hammer was not a good idea. If it gives me issues, then I'll deal with it then. But yeah, so let's put this back together. But what did I do with all my pieces? I must have put somewhere. Alright, right back. So I can put this bracket back on here. So let's put this down here. Bracket. Down here. 10mm bolts, or nuts, sorry. Yeah, they start just lovely. Okay. Did it. Tight. Okay. Oh, come on. The magnet sticking to everything. Okay. So now, I guess that goes in here, like so. I don't know. I can't do this with one hand. I'll put these trim pieces back on and I'll be right back. Okay, pretty much I got all the plastic back on here. I just gotta put two clips on the side. But like, okay, so I'm gonna put this down here, like that. What's going on here? Oh, that's open, that's why. It's got me all messed up here. So, that slides in there like that. It snaps down there. Here's the thing I don't understand now. The boot. Because obviously, you're going to need to hold this. So how do I get that boot down there? Do I have to cut this, I wonder? I mean, I'll cut it, I don't care. But if I cut it, am I going to ruin it? I mean, I gotta have the boot. I don't gotta have it, I guess, but well, I'm gonna try to pull that plastic off it. I mean, if I break it, I mean, it is what it is. So, I'm gonna try that, and I'm gonna see what happens. Okay. So, I don't know how to get this off. I don't want to break it, but I don't think I really have any other choice. Because this all came out of it, because you need to take this off. I'll put that. I think that went. It doesn't matter because I'm not using it. But that, and I'll put that in the box. And yeah, it's all good right now. So let's see if I can take this off. If I break it, I break it. I don't care. Parts cheap anyways. Came off. So throw that in the garbage. Now, is this gonna do what I want it to do? Come on, stretch over there. Stretch. Okay. Down one. Well, if you have to take this off, it would not be fun, I can tell you that. And there. I think that's... crap. That's good enough. I think I got her. It's not 100%. Hold on here. Let's roll that up. Let's have a look here. I got her down. So she ended up stretching over. I mean, I don't know if that was the right way to do that or not. But that's the way she's going today. So spin that back down. Put her on tight. There we go. Wow. Oh man. That should be decent, bro. The boot's really in there. Oh shit. I don't know. I guess that's the way that goes, I guess. In the little pocket, I guess. Nice dirt collector. But it's in there. Okay, and then I think I got 2 more bolts to put in here. So I'll put them 2 bolts in it. I'll start the car up and make sure it goes in the gear. All right. Okay, start her up here. Oh, that's definitely shorter. But everything else seems fine. I don't know. That's it for the install for the short shifter. It wasn't too bad. Getting the stock shifter physically out of the shifter box, I guess, was kind of a pain in the ass. And then trying to figure out how you're gonna get that black the black piece, I can't think of the name, that holds the ball for the short shifter in the back on through the short shifter. So you had to take apart the shifter, which I couldn't see any other way to do it without taking it apart. So that's the way I did it. So hopefully it works and I don't have any issues. But anybody got any other opinions on how to take it apart, then I guess just let me know, because this looked like it worked for me. So we'll go with that. Anyways, have a good day.